Alright guys, before I show you the main part of the video, we're going to see how well this works. I'm going to show you some data I got from tractordata.com on the Massey Ferguson MF7. The one I have is either MF7 or an MF8, and the 7 and 8 or an 8, they stand for the horsepower of the engine. And I have a 7 or 8 horsepower on it now, so that works out good. It had a Tecumseh H70 engine on it originally, which surprised me. I thought they had Kohler engines. It's air cooled, as you can see, 245 cc. Let's see here, 7 HP, optional electric ignition, 12 volt, and I think mine had it because it looks like there's a battery box there. Transmission is geared, 3 forward and 1 reverse, as you know, or you may know. Those are just the tires. It had a mowing deck on it. It didn't have a snowblower or a plow even. And I had a gallon gas tank, which is pretty small. And I think that's really it. So I just wanted to show you that. Now enjoy the rest of the video. Well, it doesn't take too long. I took this carburetor apart, and it does not take too long to realize what was going on here. As you can see, that's garbage in the engine, and yeah, that's just spewed everywhere. And that was very likely the problem. And this does not surprise me at all that there was dirt in here. I actually thought that was my first thought of the problem. I never had a fuel filter on it, and I'm going to put one on now, but you know, that's probably the problem. So let's see here. We're going to get this all cleaned up, put it back together. It's even stained a little from the gas, or that might be from before, but I don't think so. That could have been from when I got it, I'm not sure. But anyways, let's put this back together, and we'll see if she fires up. Alright guys, got her running again. Took a lot of pulls, but did it without starting.